Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to share notes to Instagram Reels and posts. It's a simple and easy process, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store in your phone. And now you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app because it's a new update of Instagram. And now you have to simply open the Instagram app. Once you are on Instagram, go to the Reels section by tapping on this icon. Okay, so now you have to click on the little airplane icon visible on the right side of the screen to bring up a menu. And now you will see various options here like share, copy link or add to story. You have to simply tap on add note. And now you can write anything here. Once done, tap on share. And now, as you can see, our note has been posted. And that's it. Sharing notes to Instagram Reels and posts is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.